a digital initiative to be more productive and stop procrastinating in a fun way. Forest is a concentration application, which allows you to plant a tree while you are doing your work. When we enter, we can see a tree and a time, which is the one we are going to use for planting. At the top we see an hourglass and a flame. There we can choose several options. At the top right we can find the music icon, which we can activate and listen to relaxing sounds of nature. At the top left we see 3 lines that by tapping will show several options such as forest, where we can see how many trees we have planted and the time of concentration we have had. The date, week, month and year. In chronological line we can see in order what we have done, if we have planted or have given up. There are different types of trees. We can see this by tapping on the tree. There we will appear and also how many coins are needed. Plus we can change the concentration time for the one we want. If you want to be productive and focused in a didactic way by planting trees, this application is for you.